I've just finished a compost loom for an elder friend of ours, Nikki, who commissioned this little piece. I've used recycled materials from the local tip. These are old futon slats to a futon base. Basically, it's just I think shitting in a bucket is one beautiful way of reclaiming humility from this hubristic culture that we live in. Composting our own manure is very dynamic in a permaculture, in an ecological economy. We're the largest mammals in this home, so it makes sense that we compost our manure. We get local sawdust or chips, which basically smother every time we shit in a bucket. Basically a cup of sawdust goes over the top, and which smothers the smell, or 2 cups depending on how big the manure is. This bucket is very small. I have made provisions in here for a much bigger bucket, but Nikki lives by herself, so she's happy with that. So yeah, very simple system. Piano hinges at the back, which is probably the most technical part, screws and salvaged wood, and quite a bit of time, but yeah, I wanted to make something nice for our dear elder. Yeah, humanure compost, highly recommended, and we'll post a link of our tutorial of how we process it and how we basically, our way with humanure compost and the black gold that it produces.